Eats with Twan here. Today we got black garlic pasta. This thing was amazing. You could keep this recipe meatless or you can add whatever protein you like. I added shrimp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more content. So let's go. All of the ingredients will be in the description box for you to follow along with your shopping list. Don't worry, I got y'all. So let's go ahead and get started with this recipe. Now, while that water is boiling, we are going to go ahead and make our black garlic butter. We're going to take 2 sticks of unsalted softened butter along with a half cup of black garlic. Don't worry, I will have in the description where you can find the black garlic. Add that to the food processor just like that. What you want to do is go ahead and process it and mix it up until it's all combined just like that. It should be nice and smooth just like that. That's our black garlic butter. Now, once your water comes to a rapid boil, add salt, about 1 tablespoon. You definitely want salted water for the pasta. Now, this pasta is a Fusilli con buco. Now, that's how you say it in Italian. Follow the package instructions, or you can simply use whatever pasta you want. Now, I am going to cut up a half cup of shallots. This is going to be amazing. So go ahead and cut some shallots just like that. Set that aside. We're going to need that a little later, all right? Moving on to our shrimp, we are going to just add about a teaspoon of black pepper and about a teaspoon of salt as well for our shrimp. That's all you're going to need. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and add that to a nice hot skillet. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. The heat should be on medium to medium high. And we are going to saute the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes until they're nice and pink. And remember, links to the pasta will be in the description if you really like that pasta, because that pasta looks amazing and it tastes really good. Now, once your shrimp is nice and pink, go ahead and set that aside because we need to go ahead and saute the rest of our ingredients to get everything all cooked up, because I know you're ready to eat. Alright, in that same pan, remember medium high heat, add your shallots to that. You want the shallots to soak up the shrimp flavor along with the extra virgin olive oil and the seasoning, alright? Now, to that add 4 to 6 ounces of shiitake mushrooms. Now, if you do not want to use the shrimp, the shiitake mushrooms and the onions will be completely fine for this black garlic pasta, alright? Now, you will need some more extra virgin olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. Now, saute until the shiitake mushrooms are nice and soft, about 8 to 10 minutes, along with the shallots. It's amazing. The smell is, so good. Now, we are going to go ahead and take our pasta. Remember, you are following the package instructions. We are going to go ahead and add that to our skillet just like that. Ooh, look at that pasta. It looks perfect. Now we're going to take our black garlic butter and we're just going to go ahead and add it to the pasta. Now this is totally up to you. Add as much or as little as you want, but just mix it well. There you go, mix it well. It should look just like that. You want to make sure all your pasta is completely coated with that black garlic butter. You have your shiitake mushrooms in there, your shallots. Now listen, if you don't want seafood, your dish is done. This is a perfect, quick and easy meal. Now listen, you know me, I definitely need seafood, so what I'm doing, I'm adding that good old shrimp. Now to that, I'm adding some heat. About 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. That's going to add a nice kick of heat. And because the black garlic butter is a very bold flavor, we're going to add about a half cup of Parmesan cheese. And yes, I'm using a spoon. I like to put mine in moderately, alright? If you made it this far in the video with me, go ahead and put a pasta and a shrimp emoji in the comment section. Just let me know you was here watching the video with me. Guess what, folks? We are done. We have our black garlic pasta. But guess what? You can keep it meatless and skip out on the shrimp. But let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Yes, the best part, giving it a taste test. I have my black garlic pasta coated with that black garlic butter. Ooh, that thing was amazing. Listen, remember folks, you can add shrimp or keep it completely meatless. The shrimp, of course, was amazing, coated with that black garlic butter. That thing was Like, so good. I'm shaking my head. Listen, this thing was so good I had to do my Keith Lee. This for sure was a 10 out of 10. I'm going to finish this up and I'll see you guys next time.